again. I'm hoping that you had a chance to watch the intro video, and now I want to give you an inside tour of the Kitchen and Bath School online classroom. I've created the classroom space to be a hub for all of the links and information that you're going to need so that it's all collected in one spot. Across the top of the home page, you're going to see buttons that go to the most important links and documents that you need. That'll be things like a link to the course schedule, a link to the live calls, a link to the community chat, and a link to book time with me. And then underneath that, you'll see a link to the download for the specification worksheets, which is the document that is kind of the backbone for the whole course. This is an example of a completed set of spec worksheets. Our main goal together throughout Kitchen and Bath School will be to help you fill out these worksheets step by step with my video guidance. At the end of our time together, having this completed set of worksheets in hand will allow you to go to your contractor in one document, express to them all of the decisions that you have made for your remodel project. This will allow you to get an accurate cost for your remodel before you start and not live in fear of coming home to surprises of what got built that day on the job site. These worksheets are the 423 questions that I often talk about when it comes to remodeling. As I help you answer each one of these questions, we will be heading off a potential emergency in the field with each one and potentially saving you thousands of dollars in mistakes that need to be fixed. These worksheets are why I have absolute confidence in the value of what I offer in Kitchen and Bath School. If I help you with one of these worksheets avoid one mistake in the field, you will have easily recouped the cost of Kitchen and Bath School. Okay, now back to the classroom. The other button that is across the top right here is the resource guide that has 180 different vendors and suppliers for materials and fixtures and finishes that I recommend. And then next, as we move down the page, you see these tabs across the top. Each tab is a module. The first is called Jumpstart, and it's filled with videos and worksheets that are going to help you with some pre-designed tasks. Next, there's a module on layout where I will give you some basic do's and don'ts for kitchen and bathroom layout. And if you would like, it's not necessary, but if you would like, I can also give you access to a free drawing tool with some pre-made templates that I've created that make it very easy to play with the layout of your kitchen and bathroom if that's something that you think would be fun to experiment with. Next, across the top are the tabs for all those materials that we've been talking about. The first is the module about surfaces, and surfaces includes countertops, tile, flooring, and wall finishes, each with its own video explaining what your options are for materials in that category, the pros and cons of those options, and then instructions on how to fill out your worksheet. Each module also comes with a downloadable guide. This guide is a visual and text reference for you of everything that I go over in the videos. You'll see one of these linked next to each video module. Following that same format across the top, you're also going to see a module about appliances and cabinetry, light fixtures, plumbing fixtures, and carpentry and glass. I hope you found that quick tour helpful. There is a ton of valuable information inside the classroom, and I have put hundreds of hours of research into this so that you don't have to. My goal is to streamline this process and help you avoid mistakes and emergencies. And I'm so excited to get you inside the classroom where we can start working together on your future dream home.